start. Hello friends, we are back now. So what are you cooking today?
I am going to cook spring onion with potatoes, like potato with spring onion, Indian style. We called it as al pyaj aloo in India,
Okay.
or maybe hara pyaj aloo. Yeah.
So what else we need for that?
We need like 6-7 spring onions and some diced potatoes. I chop some onion, little bit ginger and 1 tomato and white part of the spring onion. And for tempering I need hing is asafoetida and some degi mirch and dhania powder, turmeric, salt and little bit of mustard seeds and cumin seeds.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you using generally how much oil you use when you make this vegetable?
I use 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm sorry.
Okay, and now today you are making in salad master. So let's see how much much oil will you use?
I can make it without oil as well,
Okay.
but just to saute a little bit, I will use normal vegetable oil, like teaspoon, yeah,
So 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon only.
Okay, let's see. Okay.
I'm putting some mustard seeds.
So you have already preheated the pan,
I preheat the pan already.
and now you are using on a medium heat or low heat?
I'm using on low heat. Yeah.
Low heat. Okay.
I'm going to put it onion, pink onion, okay? Just little bit saute till it's translucent.
So we'll cover for at least
It will be
2 minutes or 1 minute. Yeah.
yeah 1 minute. We got some handles as well with this. If I feel like hot, I can put the handles here and like it's like a easily. And I'm boiling the dal here. I would like to see how much. Oh, it's already ready. Look. In this 5 minutes, the dal is ready without soak.
And what heat you used
I'm
for that?
using just a 1 number in the hob. I'm just going to close it because it's already ready.
Okay. So let's get the onion sauteed.
Yes. I don't need to cook so much of this onion because this vegetable is like onion vegetable most of that, and we just need to translucent it, not the brown onion or something.
Okay. So we can see in just 1 or 2 minutes, the onion is already getting translucent. Yes. So what else you gonna put for now?
I'm gonna put some ginger and a tomato.
Ginger, chopped tomatoes.
Now I will temper with some haldi, it's turmeric, some coriander powder, salt like to taste or little bit less will go as well, and degi mirch.
So what do you think? How much time will it take?
1 minute for this.
So how
We'll
much?
check after 1 minute, yeah?
Okay.
If it's done or not, yeah?
Let's see. So we'll be back in 1 or 2 minutes, right? So we are back. It's almost 2 minutes, and
Almost 2
let's see for onion and tomato.
Nicely done.
That's nice.
Yeah, nicely done.
You can add a little bit of water, or you can put now. What will you do? Put potatoes?
I'll put potatoes and little this spring and white part, green part, and potatoes, yeah? I'm not peeling the potato skin, yeah? Red cotton. I'll put little bit of water.
Because potato will also release his water.
Yeah.
So we will not use too much water. So how much more time will it take to get?
I'm making first time in this, but I will see how much time it will take.
Okay.
It should
Let's
take
see.
7 to 10 minutes, I think.
Let's see how much time will it take to get tenderize the potato. Let's cover it on a medium low heat.
We'll put in the low heat, yeah? This white and the green chili we'll put it later on when we open it. In a minute we will put, yeah? Thank you.
Okay, now it's almost 3 minutes. You
Yeah.
can hear click, click, click happening. That means they are calling you. It's suppose it's almost done. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll check
Let's
it
see
now.
which will you check first.
I'll check the vegetable first.
Okay, let me
Oh.
see. Oh, look at that. Another 3 minutes, and can we see the tomato is done? Oh, potato is done. Sorry.
Yes, it is nicely done, yeah?
Soft.
It's ready
Look,
to eat now.
less than 1 teaspoon of oil, and the vegetable is done. A nice color, healthy vegetable with spring and potatoes.
And
Looks really
in the
awesome.
Low heat.
Cooking in a very very low heat, and it takes like 7 minutes to cook the potato and vegetable. Really awesome, very fast and very easy and healthy. That's great.
Let's check the temperature.
Close it, and this vegetable is done. Now look at the dal tempering.
Look at the tomato, well done.
I think this is also done. Yes, you can see the bright red color of tadka. Yeah. Now what? You gonna add this in the dal?
Yeah, I'm gonna add this in the dal.
That's nice. Let's see.
You know what? I like to put some kasuri methi inside as well. Fenugreek leaves there, yeah? I just crush it in my hand and put it. Because my son like it. Okay, I'll just close the heat of the gas there. I'll just switch on this gas now.
It's very easy to hold the pan with the handle, I think. Yeah?
Very easy, but they are heavy pans otherwise.
That's why they give the nice big handle as well. As you can see, it's a big handle. It helps the pan to hold it.
We'll have little boil of this here now.
Okay, let's see. We added the tempering in the dal, and now look at the color.
Because you
of the
like
dal.
little
Look.
thin consistency.
It's all depend up to you. You want thick, you can cook it more, less water with less water. If you want thin, you can keep it little more water. It's all depends how you prefer, how you like. It's good. So just another 1 minute, or just to give a boil the dal with tempering, and it's all done. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I will show you when I serve it. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks. Here's the final product. The dal tadka and spring onion with potato vegetables with dal roti. This is the dinner for tonight. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.